This jet ski honestly doesn't sound too much different than this blackjack. No, I'm joking. All right.
Yeah, I still gotta tune the carbs once I get it out on the water. It's just too cold to do that now.
Yeah, right. So he's just coming in from riding. I was thinking it's funny because so far since we've started doing YouTube, in every single one of our videos, Nick's had the same jacket on. I was thinking people are going to start thinking you don't have another jacket.
Yeah, give me one of the new ones.
Yeah, right. I need to. But all right, so then over here is a quick update on the Banshee frame, where some people like to say Banshee frame. It's Shadow's little play area at the moment. Almost ready for paint. But the real reason I want to do this quick video right now on this nice cold Saturday afternoon is because the amount of shit that I caught for posting a little video of Nick here's jet ski that he built on a jet ski group on Facebook. I'm not a big jet ski guy, and the people got mighty upset with me because I said 16-year-old made the nicest jet ski you've ever seen. I didn't mean it literally. Obviously I know there's nicer jet skis in the world.
Put like an 1100 in it or something like that.
Yes. This is in my circle, people that I know, average people that go out on boats on the weekend and ride jet skis around. This is a very cool jet ski, especially with the 750 swapped motor and the pipe. What kind of pipe do you have? PJS pipe and the rear exhaust. Yeah.
Dual bilge bolt.
Yeah, so it's got a lot of cool parts. And I spoke and said, I apologize, I made a clickbait kind of title. And I got crucified for it. And this thing's far from finished, so real quick, I wish I could remember the one guy's name. I remember his name, I'm not even gonna say it, but it needs HydroTurf, obviously. Nick, point out what all you're still doing.
We're gonna do pink.
Wait, hold on, how old are you?
16.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
Just for the record.
Pink cut diamond HydroTurf.
I didn't touch any of this. I didn't do nothing.
We're gonna get like a blue and white seat cover for it because it has a black one, looks like crap. New bars, new grips. What else? HydroTurf all the way around the edge. And
the bar pad.
Yeah, we're gonna get a nice cool like 90s bar pad.
Yeah, and he was going for a real 90s theme. That was the intention. Do you want to pop? Can you pop the hood open or?
I gotta get the air filter for it. Spark arrestor.
These bars here he made, bent everything, fabricated them from a little piece of aluminum bar stock we bought. Let me step over here. The paint job's really going to come together with the HydroTurf too, with the all right here getting the hot pink HydroTurf and then all down there, of course. All right. So just wanted to set the record straight on that. I didn't mean to insult anyone who has a nicer jet ski. Obviously, there's
people spend a lot
$30,000 jet skis. I don't even know if you want to get into how much you have into this, but
under $1,000 so far.
Yeah, because he got the jet ski for next to nothing. So, and he's got another jet ski back there that's really cool, and he's got another jet ski outside, and a million other projects like that. Hold on, like all of this right here. All to be wrapped up within the next, what? Where's the Banshee axle that came today?
This thing, the back's been trimmed down with the rear exhaust. It's a custom ride plate. I believe a West Coast intake grate. And then in here, I'm pretty sure it has a Mikuni buckshot. I can't remember the size of it. But with a PJS throttle wheel, has an R&D intake, PJS exhaust. I went through the motor when I had it out. The cases are ported, exhaust is ported, head's been milled down. I don't know how much power it's making. I don't know these motors that well. If anybody knows, I'd like to figure it out. I do custom braces. What else? I don't think there's any other. Can't remember what prop it has. It has dual 500 gallon per hour bilge pumps. Can't remember the impeller it has. I don't know the picture of that. You can't really tell, but see, in here, like down the sides and up here, has all been reinforced. That was all done by the previous owner.
Nice.
Ordering the hydro turf and all the other parts I need, like tonight, I really want to get this build wrapped up. It's my first like full jet ski build. Very excited about it. If anybody has any tips or tricks or like anything about these skis that I should know, please tell me. And anybody who got pissed off about the clickbait thumbnail, that was my dad. He's not a jet ski guy at all. But yeah, he's just excited about it. Like this build or builds like it and want to see more of it, please like and subscribe to our channel. It means a lot. Thanks for watching.